is getting something to learn more. AI tools, obviously, you all told me about planning, teaching, and feedback. And it is also helpful for designing activity, classroom activity. Any one of you have used for the classroom activities? What kind of classroom activities have you planned? Because I have seen mind maps,
Worksheet
preparing for interview,
activity,
worksheets. Yes, I have
lesson
seen
plans,
worksheets, lesson plan. Yes,
many are coming,
yes. Good evening.
quizzes,
Quiz. Yes, quizzes. Correct.
not
Bal
hearing.
Bela. Okay, I can see one of the Hindi teacher also is here.
Mostly
Okay.
worksheets.
Worksheets, worksheets. Chalo, let's go then. We will today. I have seen that you have used for quizzes your worksheets and lesson plan. I will see that how different way you can use the same AI tools.
One teacher has written role play also. Hmm.
Yes. Thank you so much. Yes, group projects. It is very helpful. Personalized learning through AI. Yes, this is some of the tools, some of the AI tools will help us to make some kind of worksheet which will help our fast A average, below average, and above average learners, and the learners who are a good achiever or who is behind the class. So they will be the AI tools will help us to plan our lessons with the different shared learnings. Yes, yes, we have a STEM activities also. Yes, nowadays AI is used everywhere. Are all the learners are using? You have seen learners are also using AI. Anyone have come across that you have given some homework and that child have did with the AI using AI technology, or you have given any project which give them the opportunity to use AI tools? Any of you? Any project? Some of them have written the project for GP. Okay. So, what kind of AI tools have you come across from the learners who used for your work? Yes. For exhibitions, can you just elaborate for exhibition how they have used it? Research based learning, project based learning. Okay, great to go. Teachers, you can also learn from the comments which are coming up, so that here we are sharing our expertise, our best practices to everyone. Yes, essay related. Okay. Working models. Wow, great. Yes. I can give you a minute. If you feel that we are going so fast, then you can just type it in our chat box that, ma'am, you can just repeat this. I will do that. Based on science. Yes, assemblies.
For assemblies.
Correct. Apart from the subjects, we need to make sure that we will help our children for the holistic development.
Art integrated
Art integrated.
projects.
Correct, correct. Yes.
Then for CCA,
Aussies. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah. I was also curious about that.
so
What is the full form of CCA?
right, right. For
Yes.
assembly,
Yes,
for
yes.
assemblies,
I would like to request the teachers, if you are writing the projects and assemblies, you can just elaborate one or two sentences. Then it will be helpful for other teachers also and for me also. I will also learn something new from you all,
drawing
which
related to the topics. So co-curriculum activities,
yes,
art
art.
integration projects.
Yes.
Yeah, CCA
Co-curricular. Okay,
co-curricular activity.
CCA is
Okay,
okay.
okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am, for elaborating.
Thank you,
CCA
thank
full
you.
form. Yeah, thank you so much. So,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
So here we can see in this picture there are educator who is using AI. There is a technology provider who is giving us what kind of new updates are available, who have made these policies for what kind of policies are there for using AI tools, because we have come across many of the AI tools where we can see that some of are the paid one, some of are the free one. Okay. Yes. So here is a statistic for 2026 where we can see the percentage how many people are how many students are using daily or a weekly. 54% of the students are using daily or weekly, and 93% of the learners are using once in a week. So the percentage are going up, so we need to be with our children and we need to reach where they have already. And whatever the percentage of the teachers, here we can see K-12 teachers are 83%, means we who are present here in this webinar, we are using 83% of AI, means we are reaching our children's need. You can pat on your back, teachers, you are doing a great, fabulous job. Here I have written some benefits of AI in education. Till now, teachers, we are good to go ahead. Do you feel that I'm going so fast, or I'm using, you want more examples, you want to focus on something more, you can just type it out on chat box, then I can definitely. Okay. Yes, it's good to go. Yes, going good.
Yeah, like we have not received any chat as of now, but
Okay.
it is good to good to
The-
understand.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's okay. They are writing in the chat.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Miss Rashmi, Miss Jagrati. Okay. There are benefits of AI. AI can be personalized learning experiences and adapt to individual students' need. Yes, I truly agree on this. It enables efficiency, automated grading, saving teachers' time. Teachers' time, do you all agree that AI tools are saving our time? Yes, because I have seen most of the time we are spending on worksheets, our planning. So now these AI tools are helping in both. AI can provide real time feedback, yes, to support the students, enhancing their learning outcomes, yes. Now we can just make a graph of our learners to see that where is my learner and where I have to make him reach. For example, if we have a below average learner in our classroom, then we have a quarter to analyze his progress. So, with the help of AI tools, we can make it easily. Yes, yes, we can find it ChatGPT. Okay, so I can understand that many of you know about the ChatGPT and Gemini and Canva. These are the three things which I have seen in the chat box that you all are using. Then I will not focus more on that. I will give you some other tools which will help you more. Yes. So today we are going to explore about this many topics, these many websites. Yes, yes, Miss Amrita. Yes, thank you. Okay. So Canva, you know all what kind of Canva makes, what kind of things you can make from Canva? Yes. Can you see my screen with the Canva?
It appeared.
appear. Okay. So, teachers, I'm giving
Teachers
you
are
the link.
giving like PPT can be created, videos can be created.
Yes.
So they are commenting.
Yes, yes. So I'm giving you the link also in your chat box. Then you can also explore. If you have not worked with the Canva, then you can just start with your simple presentation. Once you will start, okay, okay, I can see imagination pictures and editing of the video and audio. Great, great, great. Posters, invitation cards. Yes, yes, yes. So I think so Canva is mostly used by you all. So I will not much take time to explain everything in this. Anyone wants to know anything about the Canva, because now it is updating day by day. Okay, see, the this internet and AI tools is ocean, and we need to dive into as much as we can. And how many times we are using, whenever we are using some type of AI tools, we will come across with some different things. Yes, yes, certificates also, it makes our work very easy. Yes. If you want to create a worksheet, a black and white worksheet, it will not give you that effect. So I cannot say that you can make a worksheet on this. You can make a projects on this. You can give the learners a project work on this to use this. Okay. So here we have got Miss Asha. Sorry if I spell your name wrong, then excuse me, because you have written Miss Rashmi that for our student birthday cards. Okay, so I can see that if you are a homeroom teacher, then you are making your learners special on their birthdays so that they can be happy. Then teachers, you can also make that for your learners. You can
There's a
take the,
question in the chat box that can we make the exam worksheet with colorful images through Canva?
yes, yes, they can make it, but it in the template you can see explore more. You, if you have a laptop, you can right now. I would request, if you have a laptops, then I have pasted the link and you can just explore, because I am giving you 2 3 minutes to explore these pages so that you know that what can you do, what can you not do. You can all use just a basic, because you're this it's if you start with your Canva AI and all, it will be paid after some times of free. How can we make a video of our kids? Then you have to just click small clips on your mobile or somewhere, and you can use those clips and merge it, and you can give the effects and everything. Okay. Yes. So when you click on home, then here you can see. If you want to, I can see you have click. Somebody have written that how we will make the worksheet. See this kind of home page, you will get it. So here you can use, you can write whatever content you want to write, and you can utilize whatever elements you want to use. See, banners, columns, highlight board. There are many templates already available. So you can directly click on this. If you want to give columns, you can see when we are giving 3 columns, what is best, what do you like, three questions, 3 Qs. That time you can use this template. So you need to
Madhuri ma'am, sorry to
yes.
interrupt. Can you please share the link once again? Teachers are requesting for it.
Okay,
And
okay. So
of Canva.
sorry. Just
No worries.
my this page is visible to everyone. This columns and all.
Madhuri ma'am, it is visible.
Okay, thank you. Yes, I have shared the link. Yes. So here I have clicked on only the one worksheet format. Some of have said worksheet and exam paper with something, some images on. Yes, so you can use this kind of styles columns if you want to make. It's up to you what kind of worksheet you want to make and which grade you are teaching. While using this AI, we need to make sure the age group of the learners which we are dealing it, and what is the need of our learners, because everyone who is in this webinar, the teachers, though you all have a different kind of learners with you. So you can merge it, you can just edit it according to your need base. So here you will get one option of uploads. So you can here record yourself. So one of the teacher have written that ki you want to record a learner's video, how you will do it. So here you can just record yourself, you can tell that person to come near your laptop and you can do that. You can record while you are making the ppt. When you are making the ppt, that time also you can just record your voices, so that whenever you are showing that ppt, the learner will see that my teacher is talking to me. Okay. Yes, there are many things which you can directly upload from your desktop. Here you will get the option upload. Here you can see from desktop you can upload, from downloads you can upload. Here you will get also the option of Google Drive. You can use of your Google Drive. You can use from the Google Drive also, Google Photos, Dropbox, wherever you, whatever apps are available to your system, you can use it. When you
Okay,
want,
ma'am, they are requesting for the link.
which link, ma'am?
You have shared some other link, a
No,
Canva, or we
no.
have.
Which
Okay,
you have shared, the Canva link only I have shared.
okay, okay, great, great.
Okay. Yeah. So everyone can, how many are on laptop? How many are trying actually? Can we move ahead with this, or do you want to explore more on this? Because see, the tools which I'm going to tell you about, okay, tell you about today's session, there are many things which we can do it. And it is difficult to cover everything of that app. So here I can show you the home page of the website of the AI tool, and you can just explore which one you want and you can explore it at. Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Miss Radhika, for giving me the go ahead. The next one is Quillbot. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay.
it got changed.
Yes. Huh. Okay. Now the second is Quillbot. Yes, I'm sending you the Quillbot link. Yes. Are you all able to see Quillbot? Yes. Are you able to see? Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
it is there in the chat
Okay,
box.
okay. So Quillbot have given many options, but they have in a free session free version. We can mainly use of paraphrasing the tools, grammar checker, and plagiarism check and AI detector. We can just click on the paraphrasing tool. Some of you have already written that ki, I just want to reframe my message. You just want, so you can just paste here and you can click on paraphrasing. So once you will, yes, you can write the article also, whatever paragraph you want to write, and you just want you to check the grammatical error or plagiarism check or whatever you want to check on this. This is mainly paragraph AI. You can just reframe your paragraphs into the detailed elaborated version. Also with that, you can just shorten your paragraph. If you get more a big paragraph and you want a shorter of this, then you can get this also. You can just paste here and you can click on the paraphrase. Yes. And here we have some language option also. So if you want to learn a new language and if you want to convert your English or a Hindi to a different language, you can do that also. Yes, can you please send all the apps names separately in the group map? Yes, Ms. Shatabdi, can we do that? At the end of the session, I will give them the whole list of the AI tools which we have discussed, the links.
Sure, sure. I am also keeping it in my reference. At the
Yes,
end, I will be fully copy pasting the entire thing for them. I'm
yes,
keeping it.
yes, yes, yes. So, Miss Gauri, we will give. Okay? Thank you so much. So as I told you, this is a ocean. We need to search what we need it. Okay, we will get hundred, no, thousands of things which we can do with using this. So we need to make sure that ki, what kind of grades we are teaching, what kind of subjects we are teaching, and how it will be helpful for us. Okay. Yes. So, can we go ahead with the third option? Third AI tool of the day? Yes. So, the third one is Gamma app. How many of you have heard about Gamma app? Any one of you have? Yes. Okay.
There is a question in the chat box how to upload the file in the previous application, actually.
Quillboot.
Quillboard. Yeah.
Okay. Here. Okay, just a minute. Yes. Can you see here this sign? Browse for a document. Yes, you
Yeah.
need to click on that and then you can just attach any document which is already there on your Google Drive or on your desktop or a downloads. Okay, okay, chalo. Many of you have not heard about this Gamma app. This is a app mostly used to make PPTs. So when you use this app, you need to first sign in. So you need to sign in with your personal account because I don't prefer you use your school IDs because many of the schools are not allowing many apps and it will be of restrictions for you all, so you will not able to access everything. So you just need to click on this Gamma app, sign in with your Google account. Yes. Okay. So here in the Gamma app, many AI apps are the same. Yes, yes. We can do one with the one app many things, and we can use multiple apps also for doing the same thing. So yes, the apps are the same. What kind of things which we are telling them to do, that is a different. Gamma app, yes, we can have for pre-primary for the presentation. When you are making any type of a presentation, you can have this. The link, Gamma app link, I have already shared. I am sharing it again. Okay, so here you can just click on create new AI. You can just write it here. See here we you can see some prompts. Whenever we are using any kind of AI tool, we need to make sure that yes, it is a free app, but after some time it is the version of the premium and all, you are already aware about it. When you are have a premium app, then it is a paid, but with the free app only we can do many things. Yes, yes. Yes, we can go with the single AI app. Yes, we need to. That's why I'm going to share many apps with you, but I will be definitely make sure that you definitely make sure that which app is convenient for you to use it for your grades. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about all types of apps across the grades. Okay, so here we can get some type of templates. Here you have generate. So here you have to click, when you will click on generate, then you can just describe what kind of PPT you need. Yes, ma'am, it is applicable to math also. Whatever math applications you wanted, you can do it. And I have one separate napkin app AI tools which is mostly used by the math teachers. So don't worry, everything is coming up. Okay, so here you will get how many cards, matlab how many presentations you needed. So till 10 you have a free version. So 10 cards, 10 PPT slides you can make it. Yes, this is a Gamma app where you can just write it what kind of PPT you need it. And you need to just give your prompt here and they will generate the PPT. That Mr. Raj we will share later on. This is a Gamma app which I'm showing you here. Okay. And the second option is you can create a document. No, no, no. Mr. or Miss Anjuma. No, it will not. People will not, especially the teachers. Many times we have seen that debate is going on. Will AI replace the teachers? No, it will not. If it will replace, then I am not here. See, you are also here and I am also here. So it will not. Some kind of things, if we will not learn this AI and we will not update ourselves, then definitely we will lose our jobs. Okay, so don't worry. We need to just update ourselves. That is a need of a hour. Because if our children will get everything from AI and we don't know what kind of things which we are the AI is doing for us, then definitely it will be difficult for us. Okay, so here you can describe whatever you want to make. So can you just tell me what kind of presentation do you want? Can you give me a sentence? The math teacher also can give. It can be used for any grade. You can just give me a prompt which I can just write it here, so that you can see the live example how the Gamma app works. You can just give any one of you, whoever wants to try it out. The math teacher also can give me a link, what kind of presentation do you want, so I can just write it here, so they will get it. Okay, science. I got for science, so I will start with the respiration system. Okay. For which grade, ma'am, you need it, Miss Ankita? Because the specific information we need to give, so that we will get a specific presentation which we can directly use it. I can write grade 7. Okay. What kind of learners are do you have? Do you want to give more? Because the respiration system is so broad. Do you want any specific of this?
Madhuri ma'am, actually, more demand is coming for class 5, class 7 mathematics basically.
Okay,
And one
okay,
of the teacher has raised for fraction, if the
okay,
topic can be fraction.
okay. So I'll go ahead with this first, and I will generate only 4 cards because of. Let me see. See. So first they will give you the outline. So you need to just go through the outline, and if you agree and if you think that this information which the AI gave is good enough for my children, then you can just click on generate. Then automatically this information will be converted. Yes, this information will be converted into the PPT. Okay. Now your fractions. Fractions for grade 6. Okay. Yes, you can use GIF. Here, there are many options. So you need to explore based on your subject. The math teacher, can you see this? Here also, we can just give the prompt also here. What kind of questions do you need? Here you can write introductory stage, what level the learners are there. And you want different, give me some questions based on below average and above average learners. So while giving this prompt, we need to be make sure that what kind of prompt we are giving them.
Teachers, sorry for the interruption. I believe Madhuri ma'am's internet is not supporting, so she is trying to rejoin again. Please bear us. Teachers, I'm trying to connect her. So,
Miss Mathuri ma'am, are you there?
Shankaran, actually, Madhuri ma'am is facing some network issue. So,
Okay.
she got dropped. I'm trying to connect her back.
Please, please. Yes, yes, yes. Teachers, please wait for a while. We will come back. Teachers, we are so sorry. We are with some technical glitches and we are trying to resolve it as soon as possible. We will come back. Please hold on there.
Teachers, please be with us. She is still trying to reconnect. She will be back in a moment. We just had a word with her.
I'm so sorry. I don't know what is. Can you see my camera?
The camera is still not on. If you
Okay.
can, yeah, now it is perfectly fine. Teachers were getting restless actually. No
I'm so
worries.
sorry.
Hmm.
I don't know. I have using the Wi-Fi now because I thought because of many apps it is happening. Okay. Can you see my screen? Is all everyone here with me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
You are back.
Sorry, teachers. You know AI. So I'm switching on many apps. So this will give me little. Okay. 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 Yes, you can see me. So now we have ChatGPT. So when you want to save your browsing on ChatGPT, you need to make sure that you are logged in with your ID, so that whatever chat you are searching or you are not using it, then it will be saved and you can use whenever you want it. Okay. Yes. So I'm sure you all have used for the images. Any one of you have uses for images? For this images, we need a very good connectivity with the internet because it is a AI generated, so it will take your data so quickly. Yes, yes. Okay. So have you explored these things? Anyone? Add photo. Yes, yes. Okay. Great, great. So here you can add any kind of photographs also, any kind of file, PDF file or a Word file, whatever you have. Then you can just, uh, I am not audible.
Yeah, you are.
You are audible, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but because I have seen some of the chat, they have written not.
No,
That
no.
was, I think, the earlier one when you were not available. No,
Okay, okay.
might be. Yeah.
Yeah. So you can just here you can just create your file whatever is there, and you can just, if you don't know the answer key of that document, you can just write this. Okay, can you give me the answer key for this? Can you make such kind of worksheet? When we are taking the effort for our learners, and we will make one worksheet for ourselves, then we don't have a time to make another worksheet. Then just click on this, and you can add that document and just give a prompt that give me same kind of questions with a one level up or a one lower level, whatever is requirement for you. Yes, yes. Okay, what else you can do here? Can you just speak, and you can use this audio? Yes. Have you used this audio? This will give you all languages. In Hindi also you can use. Give me some letter writing topics in Hindi font for grade 6. Yes. Can you see? Here we will get many questions in a click of one button. So all the languages are covered with the chat GPT. And whatever we want to make, we can use it. Okay. So I will not spend more time on chat GPT since everyone is used to it. Can we go ahead? There. Yes. The next one is Suno app. Have you heard about this? Sunoapp.com? So I have posted his photograph as well as our group picture and requested ChatGPT to add him. It added, and clarity was not so good. I can understand. Sometimes we feel that his quality and everything is not that good. Okay, okay. So I think so. I have to go ahead with this Suno app. It is a very good app, and it is very helpful for the pre-primary and grade 1 and 2 teachers. Okay. So here you can, I have given you the link on the chat. Okay. Here we can just create songs with the limit of 1 minute only, because again the free version is specifically for some time, and you can give the prompt for nursery rhymes. Now Twinkle Twinkle Little Star they might not like, but if you need something AI, do you like me, that kind of rhymes they can. Okay, so here, can you see my app?
Ma'am, can you please share the link once again?
Okay, just a minute. Huh? Yes. The app which I am showing you, initially it is a free of cost for the lower version, which is good enough for us as a teacher to use it. Okay, so it is a free, you can count on it and you can use it. Whatever things I'm telling you, you can make this on this, use this on this. These are the free things. Okay, so it is the free. Yes, yes, your tiny toes. Yes, see, this is your things, and this is your home page. Can you see my home page? Your Sunu and everything is written.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. So you want to create your own song. So what kind of song you want, Miss Smriti? Can you just write it off for me on this? I'm asking Miss Smriti only, being a pre-primary teacher, what Tiny Toes needs. Any pre-primary or any small poem, whatever type of things you can give me as a prompt. Yes, yes, math song. Each subject can have it, but I will give a chance to a pre-primary because math we have done, Hindi we have done. Old MacDonald song. Okay. Is this song already available or do you want to make your own? The robot dog? Okay. Dog. I can just write it poem for nursery. Yes. Clap our hands. I want some topic which is not available. See, whatever is available, we can just Google it and we can do it. So here we need to create. Okay. Yes. So see, can you see here on this? You can just see many options are coming here. Yes, when we are teaching letter, that time also you can have it. You can just click here and you can write the prompt. Yes, healthy and junk food. Okay. So you need to click on, see, you need audio, lyrics, instrumental, what kind of song you need it. You need to click on this and you just click on create. It will take time. Okay. It will take time. This is only one app because it is converting audio and a video. It will take more than 5 minutes. Okay. So you need to be have patience for this because it will create, for example, can you hear this?
Yes, yes.
Little robot dog wakes up with a beep. Wiggle, waggle tail, jumping on his feet. Robo dog, woof, woof, clappy hands and stompy feet. Robo dog, turn around, happy paws go tap the ground.
So, like this, you can just create it and you can download it. Okay, once you know that this is the song which you need, you can just click on the download. You will get the option of download. Okay, see, this is the version and you will get the lyrics also. Okay.
Teachers are thanking you, saying, "Wow, superb, thank you, ma'am, nice." So actually,
Thank
it
you.
is wonderful. I was also about to write lovely, amazing. So other comments are
Yes,
also coming.
yes, yes. You can do so many things with these tools now. You just need to be open minded and ready to learn. It will be a time consuming once, but you have many things with you as a resource.
Madhuri ma'am, there was a chat, there was a question in the chat that it will only appear in audio or it will be appearing with audio and
Video. Yeah.
okay.
It will be appear on video, but it I have just click on that video because it will take
Okay, no problem.
5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes it is taking.
Okay. So it will
Okay.
come with audio and video.
Yes.
Great,
And
great.
lyrics also are there, so you can
Hmm.
just give out the printout to the learners
Okay.
also to learn it, and you can copy paste it. Yes.
Can the teacher can get it in different languages
All
like
the
Hindi
languages, yes.
or
You just need to give the prompt, and you can try it out if you are on a laptop and have a check. You can. These are the apps which I am showing you. They are available for all the languages. Now the language is not a barrier. Okay, so you can have it.
Ma'am, there is another question also in the chat. Like, how can we transcribe a video into a written format?
Written format is already available like this.
There is one more very good question in the chat
Good.
box. Can we create the poem or song using our own voice?
Yes.
Okay. So Ikra ma'am,
Wow.
your
You
answer
can.
is yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
When you say yes, many teachers feel wow.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, you can
Just like
record
we
your
feel.
voice. See, can you see
Okay.
this record option?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yes. So for all the singers, I'm not a good singer, so I don't. So yes, you can use it. Okay. Yes, you can turn it in animated. But after versions, there will be some things which is a paid one. So the animated video I have not tried, but you can definitely try that. Okay, animated video I have not tried.
Can we also create stories with this
Yes,
application?
yes,
There is
yes,
a ask
yes.
from a teacher.
Yes, yes. Stories you can click. And there is one studio, but it is a premium. Okay. There are some in these apps only, there are some things which is paid. But with the free version also we can do miracles. So don't worry about this paid version and non-paid version. With the free also we can create many, many things. Okay.
Canva application, do we have any training specifically? It's a
Um, I just want to say one sentence for you. Miss Shatabdi is going to give you the link, and you can just click on that, and you can explore. You don't need any teachers for that. I'm sure.
I believe it's a very simple, like we
Simple.
are
You
doing
can
shopping
just
on Flipkart and Amazon.
yes, yes. You can just click on the different types of blogs of the apps which you can see it, and you can create it. Okay. This internet is whenever we will click on anything now, we will learn one new thing. Okay. So be ready for learning new things. So is it good to go for the Suno app? We have many more.
Yeah, I believe they are thanking you a lot.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, one more we have for pre-primary and grade one. Okay, just Duolingo app. Have you heard about this Duolingo app? I have clicked. I have sent you the link. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. So I will not spend more time on this. Yes, I want to learn. This app I have come across when I want to learn a new language. Yes. So I am from India. I want to learn Hindi. So, hi. Can you see my screen? The little
Can you
Duolingo
please share
is
the link once again? I'm so sorry I'm interrupting. Please, can you share this link once again?
okay.
Hmm.
So,
I shared it once again, Shadapti, in the chat box.
okay. Yes. Huh. So here I am. I am Geo. So here you can just click on this and you can just follow the instructions which is given. Let's start. Party started. You will get motivated with this. What? How did you hear from Google search? Or whatever you want to write, you can write. Why are you learning Hindi? I want to make support my education, spend time productively, boost my career, prepare to travel. If you want to travel a place where that language is new for you, you can learn. So prepare to travel. How much do you know? So this app is judging you. No, this is not a paid one. This is a free one. This whichever app I have shown you, they are the free ones only. But in that, some kind of versions are paid one. But in the free version, also you can do all the things which we needed as a teachers. So here you, yes, I am new to Hindi or I am new to sorry, Telugu, whichever language you want to learn. So you can just click on this. I know some common words I am writing here. So here what you converse with the confidence, yes. Build a large vocabulary, yes. So 5 minutes a day because I cannot give more time I can select only 5 minutes per day. So here I will. No, I don't want any notification. If you need any notification, you can start from scratch. Yes, you just need to follow the instructions given by this. Okay, yes.
up,
Yes, so they will say the sound also. Then you have to listen to this
up,
sound, and I have to click on this and check whether I am correct or not. Yes, I am good to go. Okay. So this is not a paid version. This is a free of cost. You can do it. So you can give this link to your learners also, so that they can learn a new language. If you find that in your school one new admission is there, being a Hindi teacher, how do I make sure that that grade he is in a grade 8 but his Hindi is 0, is pre primary, he have not come across to Hindi any of the time, and he is very new to India also. So we need to give this type of a app where he can learn the basics, because for learning any language first we need to listen. Okay, so you can continue and you can go on this, and they will be having a versions, once with the letters, then the words and everything ahead. Okay.
up, ah,
Ah, so continue. My answer is correct. Oh,
up,
so this match the following.
ah,
So you can give it to your learners also to test them.
ah,
Okay. So if we are
a,
wrong, then also they will tell us.
e,
Okay. So like this you can start. Is it good to go? Are you all feeling bored?
I'm reconnecting her, teachers.
Teachers, thank you so much for your acknowledgement that that session is going really very interesting. Give us some time to connect her back. We are trying to connect her back, dear teachers. Please hold on a second.
Actually, teachers, what is happening? She is closing the tab, and by default, she is closing the webinar itself. So that's why she is getting logged out. So I'm trying to connect her back in the session. Please bear with us. Thank you. Ma'am, welcome back.
I don't know. I think so. I have to show them the screen.
Yeah, actually, you are, I believe you are disconnecting the, tabs, and there you are disconnecting the main tab. That's why it is happening.
I don't know. Whenever I'm showing you
Ma-
the
But your camera is not on, ma'am. If you can
just a
please
minute,
switch
huh?
on your camera. Yeah.
Ah.
Actually, teachers are eagerly waiting for you. And they are showing lots of, info about your teachings that you are going on with.
I'm so sorry
No
because
worries.
I'm showing you the different kind of app and so many tabs are open on my this thing.
Right, right. Ma'am, please continue.
Okay.
Yeah, just a second, ma'am. Answering to Jayamala ma'am's question, can we get the links for all these apps? Definitely at the end of the session, we will be sharing all the links that are shared during the session all together. Thank you.
Okay.
Right. We have already promised Shankaran this.
Yes, yes, yes. There is a
Madhuri ma'am has
query
already done
by
it.
Jayamala ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm using this for the okay, where we are here in the napkin app. Just a minute. Okay. Can you see this homepage? Is everyone got this napkin ka link?
Shankaran, can you see?
I will send it again.
Yeah, please send, ma'am.
If I will not be audible, let me know, huh? Because I was
Yeah,
talking
sure.
and I don't know. Only I was logged out from this.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. We got the link, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
So here we have this napkin app. Here you just need to click on this sign in with the Google. This is mainly it will be more helpful. It will be helpful for each one of us, but it will be mainly helpful for the social studies teachers where geographical and historical events we need to listen, make learners to know how they can learn quickly and what are the things they actually remember the years, especially with the history and geography, the continents and all the details which we want that a learner should know. Then we can use this app. Here you can just click on you can just paste it. Actually, you can paste your text. If you have your text ready, you can paste it here and you can just click on this what you want to make out of this. You can make a mind map, anything which you need. See, new napkin, import file. For example, if you have any textbook ka PDF file or any one specific topic of the PDF file, you can just click on this. And if you want draft with the AI, you don't know what you want, but you know which person you want to know or which type of a country or a place you wanted to know. So I just want a draft with the AI. May I have any social studies teachers who want to know about anything? Yes, you can give me one some interesting topic which you feel that it is very difficult to understand properly. Any kind of thing. You can just give me one prompt so that I can show you how it works. I'm here now. I'm scared now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, Jallianwala Bagh. Okay, Jallianwala Bagh, so you can just tell them to watch Kesari 2. Yes, that movie is also very nice. Okay, Harappa civilization. Okay, chalo, Jallianwala Bagh, for which grade you need it? For grade, you need to be very specific with your prompts because the kind of information which you need, the AI doesn't know what kind of learners you have. So you have to be very specific. Jallianwala Bagh for grade 6 or grade 5, which grade you wanted.
Ma'am,
Okay.
there is a specific question over here. Can it be used for mathematics also?
Yes, yes, all languages. I have given you the link. The math teacher, the other teachers can try it out. If you have a laptop with you, definitely they will give you a quick. Okay, see, this kind of information they have given. Is it too much? The AI is writing. Yes. So now I have got it this kind of information which I am getting it on Google also. So what is the difference? So here you have the options. See, when you have this kind of things, see, when you will get this kind of information, here you can see this blue sign. You can just, wherever this blue sign is there, that information they will convert into the mind maps. What kind of mind maps do you want? You can just have it. See. Okay. So in Jallianwala Bagh, nothing, everything is not difficult. You will find that this paragraph is very difficult. This information is very difficult to understand. So you can just click on this blue sign over here and you can just generate this much information into the mind map. Yes. See the interesting, colorful mind maps and everything.
There are two
Mind
questions
map
dropped in
work.
the chat box. One is how it can be useful in teaching mathematics, and second one is how it can be worked for map work.
Yes, I have seen that map work wala thing, but you will have to upload a map, maybe if you have, and you can try it out. And for mathematics, if you have any concept, see they will be giving you the information only. This app is mainly for the information and mind mapping. Okay. Yes, for English and languages, it will not be difficult. For English, also, you can have the letter writing, full letter writing here. And what are the components of letter writing? For the creative writing, you can use for grammatical, grammar, you can use language. Yes, yes. Language learning, you have to be very specific with this, which kind of language learning you wanted. You want listening, you want reading and writing, and you want grammar or reading task. You can. Okay. Yes. So the map diagram, the map outline you will not get here, that you can use for. Okay. This is mainly for the information. You will get all kind of information. That information is heavy to digest, then you can just create a mind map of it, and they will be learning that. And you can click on the share button. You can export as a PDF file or with the visuals, or you can just click on the link and you can share the link with your learners and they can able to see it.
Ma'am, there is
No,
another question in
no,
the
no,
chat
no.
box.
They cannot create. I have seen the video.
Yeah.
No, you can. Ha, I will definitely show you one app where you can do that. Okay, are we good to go? This is mainly based on the concept to understand. Okay. So wherever in math there is a concept to understand algebraically, geometrical concepts, if you want to teach the learners, then you can definitely have this. Are we good to go? Yes, we have 3 more to go.
Yeah, there is a go ahead from the teachers.
Yes, thank you, thank you. You all need to try out this app and I'm sure you will find 2 to 3 app which is directly related to your content, your things, your grades, and your subjects. Okay, this is a Concare. This is mainly for languages teachers as well as for math quizzes. Okay, this is a quiz. You said in the starting, you said you can use quizzes. You are using quizzes. What kind of quizzes you are using? On Quizzes app, or you are using any other app for the quiz? This link for Concare. The next one is Concare. Okay, yeah. Here the basic guidelines are there. You just need to give the access and all, whatever you want to give. See, here we are having it some kind of information as well as the quizzes beforehand for use. Okay, so for example, there is a animal farm, here is a plant cell structure, and Newton's law of motions, the Cold War, history, geography. Okay, in this, can you all see my this page, right?
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay, yes.
There's a question in the chat box. Purpose of Concure.
Conquer to give the information that will be converted in the quizzes. It is a quiz based learning and formative assessment. From while using this app, we can directly get the formative assessments done. We don't have to do the correction. Okay, for example, I'm clicking on the plant cell structure. Okay, so they will ask you about the grades, which grade you want to. For example, I have click on yes, you can use definitely for the grammar. Okay, yes, so they are plant cell structure they are generating. This is a basically for the formative assessments. Since many of the primary schools doesn't have a proper formal examinations, so we can give this links to the learners so to understand how much our learners have understood about the topic, and we don't have to do the correction, and we don't have to take the print of the worksheets and so many things which is we save. So this app is mainly used for the quizzes, formative assessments. What kind of assessments do you want to do it?
There are two questions in the chat box. One, it can be used for class 1 and 2 question
Any-
generation,
Yes, yes,
and it is useful for GK question paper preparation also.
yes.
Okay.
So here you need to enter the topic, whatever you wanted, and you can click on next and customize. For example, do you want to give me any one topic? Can we make exam worksheet? Yes, definitely we can make the worksheets, which we can. Can I have one small topic which you want to make a quiz out of? Any kind of quizzes? Any topic? Yes, leaderboard automatically it will be creating tenses. Okay, which grade, ma'am? Tenses quiz for I can say 5th grade. Okay, but what kind of tenses you want? Difficult. Okay, so I am here also giving the prompt that I need a questions which give, see here I can have the option of multiple choice, mixed, read and respond, fill in the blanks. This kind of things are available. So which one which we want? So I want multiple choice. Number of questions, I need five only. Which grade I want? I want for grade 4. Language, obviously, we will click on English US only. So I need to create. Okay. So you can have it here. So they will give first easy one, then they will give the difficult one. Okay. Then you can just click on this share button. You can convert into the, yes, we can use it for the question paper. If your question paper doesn't need any hard copy, you can use for the formative assessment. So you can click on the QR code, you can directly print it. But when we are printing it, we will not get the school logo and the instruction, the outline which is designed by our school. So we can just, and we can also create it as a Google form and we can have it as a link. Okay. So you can have it. It is a, the basics are free and there are many apps which are free, but in free app there are some type of ais which is not free, that they are the paid one. So you need to see that what kind of things you can use it or what kind of things you cannot. Thank you so much. Okay. So this Conquer app is mainly used for the quizzes and formative assessments. And the last one which we have is Notebook LM. Okay, I'm sharing here. Can you see my Notebook LM? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we can make the PDF also. We will get the options. Okay. Try Notebook LM. You need to just click on that. Yes, this is mainly for the textbook which we have. Okay, it is more type of where we have used this napkin app. It is somehow connected to this, but in this we will get options of audio file. Okay, here you can just click on this and you can upload files or websites, or if you have a link on a drive or copied text, whatever you have, you can do it. Okay. So create a notebook. What notebook do you want to create? Any I have seen somewhere freedom fighters, freedom fighters. Was grade 5. Okay. So see, can you see this? You can get this information, which one you wanted. Are you all with me?
I believe the screen is stuck somewhere, Madhuri ma'am.
Just a minute. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Now can you
Yeah,
see?
now it is visible.
Yeah. So here you need to click on this add sources and you can click whatever you want to write it, or you can upload your files or a website's links which you have or drive. So whatever you have, you can do it and you can just click on that. For example, I have to search from the web about the Gandhiji. Okay. So here, whatever information available on the website, you will get it. And you can click on this, which one you want. You will get many of the, for example, I want this autobiography. It is taking time. It will take time, okay? Because it is a notebook LM and you can do many things in this.
Ma'am, there is a question in the chat box which is specifically for pre-primary student. Which application is specifically for
You
pre-primary
can
student?
use any application which I have shown you till now. It will be depending on what kind of content you need it. Okay. So you can use any app for pre-primary. See, you have this app for the research-based learning. Okay, when you are giving any kind of projects to your learners, then you can give this app and you can just tell them to create a source for us. So where is the sources coming from? Okay, see, you can get all the informations about Mahatma Gandhi. So are we good to go? This notebook LM and napkin app is both are one and the same.
There is a question in chat box that can images used to create the worksheet?
Yes, we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
use it. Yes, we can use any kind of thing.
She's asking for the application.
Any app you can use it. Wherever that upload button is there, you can upload any kind of images, pictures. Okay. So in all the apps, I have shown you the upload button. Are you all with me?
Yeah, yeah. Teachers are.
Okay, because I'm getting one here option that I'm not able to see you actually.
Okay, okay. No worries. Teachers are
Okay.
responding in the chat box. Teachers, I'm again connecting, ma'am. She got disconnected. Just allow me a second. She's just joining. Yeah, she's there.
I was talking.
No, no worries, ma'am. That's why I'm just giving you call directly.
Ach- Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, your camera is off.
Just a minute. I'm just sharing this. Can you see?
Yeah, yeah.
Now you are able to see my screen.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
No.
Just 1 minute. I will reshare it because I can't see you. I don't know.
Actually, my camera is off.
Okay. No
That's why.
problem. No problem. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's there. It's visible.
Okay. Okay. So here we have the again this data. How many learners are using it for schoolwork. Like when we are giving the homework to the learners, how many percentage of the learners are using it, and how it is helpful for their productivity, their thinking skills, and everything. Because I can totally understand. Uh, is it not visible?
It's visible, ma'am. You are showing a graphical page, if I'm not
Yes,
wrong.
yes. Because
Yeah.
in the chat, they are writing not audible and not.
Ma'am, can you please reshare because they are still with the same message once you were not connected. So if you can
Okay.
please share it once again.
So, is it now? Okay, now visible. Okay, Miss Priyanka said. Okay. Yes, yes. So here are the percentage. ChatGPT mainly used by the 66% of the learners, and Grammarly AI tool, Microsoft Copilot 25%, 25%, and they have done their productivity and personal help also. Yes, it will be motivating the learners. The traditional way of teaching is motivations percentage are only 30%, and when we are using our lesson plan and when we are delivering our lessons, then this is motivation is going ahead to 75%. Can you see the difference?
Ma'am, sorry for interrupting. One teacher is having a query that is there any specific application for pre-primary where actually they are in need of lots of worksheets, specific worksheets. So is there any specific application that can help them?
So they can use this Duolingo app for that things, and this Conquer quizzes also they can create alphabetically quizzes if they wanted to create. They can have Suno app also with the rhymes and everything.
So Shalaka
And
ma'am,
Gamma app
basically,
also is there for their worksheets. They can
yeah.
use all types of. They just need to explore it. You can Miss Shalaka, definitely you can try all the apps with your prompt, and I'm 100% sure you will get the results which you want. Only for pictures, so you can just give the prompt that you need only for pictures. Yes, your prompt should be according to your need, then you will get everything. Okay, here this is one slide where I have mentioned what kind of things you can use. Is it readable?
No,
You can no.
no.
Can you all please take the screenshot of this, because I really wanted you all to go through this slide. You can just click on. You can take a screenshot of this and you can zoom it out and read it afterwards. No problem. For primary, which app can be used to make a creative? You can use any app which I have shown you. Okay. Only you need to just make sure that the prompt which you are using, that should be perfect. Okay. So here we are using apps and AI tools. We need to be very ethical and responsible, and we need to teach our learners the same. AI supports teaching, no doubt, but not replaces. Okay? It will not replace you. Your lesson you will make. Now you can see which they wanted to zoom out.
Yeah, it's visible.
Ha. So focus on learning, not just the output. When you are making any kind of worksheet or any kind of text which using this app, you need to make sure that you verified all the informations and you will read beforehand. Okay, because many times, for example, if I'll take an example of Hindi, they will give all the information and worksheet and everything, but there might be possibility that the sentence constructions are not proper. So we need to make sure that as a teacher, we need to make sure that before giving it out to the children or any of our teacher co-partner, we need to read it out. Okay, they needed previous one. Can you just take it? Because now I have zoom out as much as I can possible. Now can you all please take out the screenshot? Uh, I have copied. Should I share? Miss Shatabdi, can
Yeah,
you
yeah, you can. Actually, I am also
screenshot?
trying to do the same. Huh, I am also trying to do the same, but it's not happening. If you can try and send it from
Okay.
your side, it will be great.
I don't know. This is showing me where wait, exit the page, exit the page. I'm
Ah,
with you.
same, same. It is showing to me also.
Uh, I'm with you
Yeah, yeah, you're there with
because
me, with
my
us.
screen got off.
You're there with us.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So I have done it, but I'm not sure how it is going to. Okay, we'll share it with the links when we are sending it. Okay. I would like to share these links also. I will share with you, Ms. Shatabdi, and when you are sharing the certificate or some, they can use it. Okay. In this, many activities are there.
Shadapi, is she connected?
I'm connecting ma'am once again.
Can you see me?
Yes, yes.
Uh, okay. So I will be sharing the. Can you see my screen? And the links. Okay. I don't know. The chat is not working for me.
Oh wait, links. I will be sharing. I have captured all the links together. I am sharing right away. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Just I'm thinking I can share that screenshot. Okay. No, it is not coming. I don't know. Something is wrong with the chat. That screenshot is not coming.
Yeah, ma'am, I am also trying. Just allow me a second.
See, when I will click on that chat box now, it is exiting me.
I am trying, ma'am.
Whenever I'm clicking on the chat box, it is exiting me. Okay. So, Ms. Shatabdi, please help me with the chat box, okay? Because I'm not going now there. Are you able to hear me? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please proceed.
So please help
We will
me
take
with
care of
the
things.
chat box because I'm not sure why I'm going on a chat box and I'm exiting. So I'm not going on chat box. So just read out the information for me if any questions arises. These are the links which they will be getting it along with the links of the apps. Here many type of examples are given which is useful for AI tools. Okay. So, today I would like to conclude this workshop whether AI in education has great potential for improving learning outcomes. It requires careful consideration of privacy, bias, transparency, human AI collaboration, and equity. By addressing this ethical consideration, we can create positive and equitable learning environment. So you need to remember as a teacher when you are using any kind of AI tools, you are doing justice. You don't blindly follow whatever information is given by the AI tool. At the end of the session, can you just give me in chat box after today's session how confident you are? Do you feel using AI responsibly? Just starting, growing, or confident? Are you all feeling confident? Yes. Yes. Okay. Now here I have 5 minutes for you all. You can ask me the questions. Super confident. I like it. And so sorry for this interruption because we are using AI tool. So we need to see that sometimes AI will also give you some kind of things. Yes, confident growing. Yes, yes. When you will personally use into your classroom, then time you will be more confident. Yes, yes. So if you have any questions, you can ask me.
I have shared all the links in the chat box
Yes.
so teachers can, capture it from there.
So I can share their resource links to them.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
If you want to share it once again, it can be done.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm
Let us share
trying
it,
my level
which I
best.
have shown them where the detailed information how they can use AI in their teaching. It will be more helpful for them. And many activities are also given. I hope so. I'm with you all, everyone.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yes, WhatsApp and Google Classroom, if you are using it, or any kind of school platform which you are using it, you can have it. I hope so. You have learned some things which will directly you can take it to your classrooms.
There's a question in the chat box. Can you please mention all the applications name which we have discussed in today's webinar?
Okay. So here we have this slide. So you can take it. Ha. So we have spoken about a Canva, which will help for our PPTs, audio, video, invitation cards, and everything. And we have Quillbot, paraphrasing, and Gamma app for PPT slides, ChatGPT for everything, Suno app for the songs, poems, stories, Duolingo for learning a new language, Napkin and Notebook LM for the textbook convert into the mind maps and everything, Concare for the formative assessment. This is a short description of these apps. We can do many, many things more about these apps, but these are the some basic which they are famous for.
Madhuri ma'am, Jagriti ma'am is having a question that we face problem during teaching Hindi. So, is there any, because of spelling errors, so is there any better app to utilize?
See, I am also a Hindi teacher, so don't worry about it. These all our apps will not give you the spelling errors. Only the Gamma app, when they are generating the PPTs in Hindi, then half letter will come as a full letter and down. उसके नीचे है ना हलंत आता है, so it will be considered as a correct only. So don't worry, I am also a Hindi teacher. I am using these all the apps and it will not give you that much error. Sometimes the sentence construction is a problem. Okay, so you can just edit it because in all these apps you can edit easily. No, you don't have to subscribe. You just need to click on the Google your Gmail account, because without Gmail account it will not allow you to do anything. It is completely reliable or needs some cross checks. uh, I don't prefer completely reliable. I need to recheck whatever information. Even you are teaching any textbook lesson, you are reading first, then only you are giving it, right? So it is always, we need a human also to read this.
Need to download all the applications? I believe
No,
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 it's
no, no, no,
directly
no,
URL based.
no, no, no.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Madhuri ma'am. I would request Shankaran also to come on screen. And thank you so much for the insightful session that you have given. Actually, this is very much helpful for the teachers and the educators, where in this coming, in this present era, we are all bound to use AI for preparing worksheets, at times question papers. And you can see lots of thank yous bombarding in the chat box. So you can find that teachers and full on teachers were attentive, and over 400 teachers, educators who were there throughout the session. So right now also at the end of the session we are having 374 as in participants. So this is a very good crowd that you have
I'm
catered
glad.
today. Thank you so much.
I'm glad to have you all as an audience, because you continuously ping on the chat box so that I know that I am not talking to any of AI wall, and I really connected with you all. And I'm also a teacher, so I'm very much in your shoe only, so I can understand your pain and your confidence which you have received after at the end of the session. Okay, and wish you all the best to use these all apps. Okay, how much you will explore, you will learn new things.
Shankaran, would you like to add few words for Madhuri ma'am?
Yeah, definitely. Along with all other teachers, I think we also learned a lot. And thank you so much, Madhuri ma'am. And I very kindly request all the teachers to explore us, guided by Madhuri ma'am. There are a lot more things to learn. There are a lot more things to be equipped with, and which is the timely need of the hour, right, ma'am? And thank you
Yes.
so much for your valuable time. And thank you so much, teachers, for your very. And thank you, Sadapti, for coordinating all the things. And are we good to close?
Yeah, Shankaran, we are good to close. We will be once the webinar will end, teachers automatically you will be receiving the feedback links. I request all of you to please kindly fill the feedback form so that you can receive your certificates on your emails. Thank you so much. Have a great evening and
Thank you.
weekend too.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madhuri ma'am, once
Thank
again.
you.